Okay, so the next topic is going to be the use of drone application in archaeology. And for that, once again, I would like to call Dr. S.K Manjul, Additional Director General ASI, on the stage. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. Actually, just I correct my name first. I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar Manjul, Additional Director General, Archaeological Survey of India. Talking about the use of drone in the archaeology and the technology coming up with the various advancement uh, in the recent past, connecting GIS, LIDAR, and many more. That is really a very useful for archaeological work. As I already told that we are Archaeological Survey of India responsible for management of our heritage across the country, and we are working with lot of technology at this moment, but drone technology is very useful for the archaeological work. So I can divide two way. One is archaeolocal work like exploration, excavation of the archaeological wealth across the country, and also the neighboring country of India having also a lot of potential for the similar kind of archaeological heritage, which is shared heritage, I can say, at either in the Myanmar or in the Nepal or in other places like Sri Lanka and all that. And we are Archaeological Survey of India actually imparting training to all of the neighboring country also. So we have a training center here at Greater Noida Institute of Archaeology, and near future, because the use of drone is really important, because earlier we are doing manually in the contouring, manually in the surveying, manual drawing, documentation, everything is a manual process in Archaeological Survey of India, last from 100 years after the independence, and also before independence also. The same legacy we are continuing at this moment. So very less understanding of the use of the drone and modern technique inbuilt into the drone to our officer, our employee, our other draftsmen, surveyors, photographer, so on. So we have the lot of cadre like photography cadre, survey cadre, drawing cadre, archaeological cadre, horticulture branch. So every branches, every cadre need to know about the modern technology or inbuilt technology in the drone also. As I in the last previous exhibition, I have visited and seen a lot of different type of drone. Even I understand the drone training center, many drone training center. So that is in my really mind, but actually there is no SOP available for the use of the drone, particularly either in the other central government department. So we always talk about the defense and other sector, the use of the drone, and there is widely used actually, and the whole SOP made or whole policy made towards the defense, towards the military use, or so on. But yes, nowadays, as I heard, the railways and other sector also using the limited one for documentation or making some new stations, the laying out the track, etc. As I understand, in Archaeological Survey of India or managing our heritage, to make a contour, to make a topography map, to make a ortho drawing, to make a actually the GIS model, converting into the GIS ARC model, and also for the management, like the implementation of Act like 1958 Act. You all know about the regulations of that provisions of that Act to manage 100-meter, 200-meter management for illegal construction, managing illegal construction, to maintaining the height of the surroundings, because every monument's having some time in the interior, some time in the forest. There is a lot of landscape across the country, right from the hilly terrain to the run of Kutch. We have a lot of site. So sometimes it's a very difficult to explore those monument also within the forest area, within the run area also. So drone will help a lot, particularly as I have seen in the China and other Egyptian or other sector also. They have used drone to identify the monument and a structure within the deep forest also. So that type of technology actually we are not using at present in India of for identification of any of the site. So yes, for the drone manufacturers, these are the sector is really a very important to deep into that the requirement based technology with the drone. So like in the agriculture sector, I have seen a lot of bigger drone to have the sprinkle to so these are the actual requirement based development of the drone. So equally, Archaeological Survey of India's work like exploration, excavation and the other management, that need to have the requirement based development of drone. Sometime either in the smaller drone for the day-to-day inspection of the monument and the recording of the surrounding area. So these needs not a very high quality or high flying drone. It's need a certain limitation to do or to use this drone. So there is lot of potential, no doubt, in this sector. So I am happy that you have invited me in this forum to see the drone exhibition and the technology which is available here. And certainly I invite or say our website is open, and you can write it to our Director General, copy to me also, that is there in the website, everything. So that, and also in future we have to organize some awareness program across the country to how to use the drone. But it's a dire need to have a SOP of standard operating procedure in the department or the department of like central government, some department, how to use those drone in what way, and which type of drone we have to use in for the day-to-day, because there is no clarity. Sometime in because our site is in a different location, the forest location having different regulation, the near the army offices or having the different kind of regulations, and also within the city like Delhi having different kind of regulation. So but if there is a clarity to use within the premises or within the archaeological survey of premises, that will really helpful for us to use the drone in day to day. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.